Do you ever freeze just because you don't know what question to ask?
Or you know the words, but your mouth says nothing.
If that's you, stay with us. This episode is for real-life English. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking Zone.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Lila. We're really happy you're here today.
Very happy, because today's topic is super useful.
Yes. Today, we're talking about English for asking simple questions every day.
What, where, when, and how.
Small words, but very powerful. Mark, can I tell a small story?
Always. I like your stories.
Okay. So, last week, I went to a cafe near my house.
Nice. Coffee story already.
Yes. I wanted to ask a very simple question. Very simple.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to ask, what time do you close?
Very normal question.
But in my head, I was thinking, is this correct? Is it polite? What if I say it wrong?
Ah, overthinking.
Exactly. So I smiled, I waited, I said nothing.
You didn't ask?
No, I bought my coffee and left.
Wow.
And outside, I said to myself, why didn't I ask that one simple question?
That happens to so many learners.
Yes, and maybe it happens to you too.
Today, we fix that.
Let's start very gently.
No stress.
No grammar pressure.
Just real English.
Okay, let's start with the first word.
What?
What is for things?
Objects, ideas, actions.
For example, what is this?
Very common, very useful.
You can ask, what is this? What is that? What is your name?
Let's slow down.
Yes, everyone listening, say it with us.
What is your name?
Good. Again.
What is your name? Simple, polite, friendly.
Now, real life example.
Okay,
You are in a shop. You see something new.
you don't know the word.
You can say, what is this?
You don't need big vocabulary.
Just point and ask.
That's real English.
Pause for a second.
Yes. Pause and think.
Where do you use what every day?
At work? At home?
With your kids? With your teacher?
Think about one situation.
Okay, let's continue.
Now, let's talk about where.
Where is for places.
Location.
For example, where is the bathroom?
Important question.
Very important.
Another one. Where are you from?
That's a friendly question.
Good for meeting people.
Say it with us. Where are you from?
Nice.
Again, where are you from? Mark, quick question.
Yes?
Do you remember your first time asking for directions in English?
Oh, yes. Very clearly.
Tell us.
I was in a new city. I needed the bus stop.
Okay.
I wanted to ask, where is the bus stop?
And?
I only said, bus stop. The person looked confused.
I understand.
Then I tried again. I said slowly, where is the bus stop?
And?
They smiled and helped me.
See? Simple sentence, big result. Now, let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop? Good job.
Next word, when.
When is for time.
Yes, time and schedules.
For example, when do you open?
That's the cafe question I wanted to ask.
Exactly.
Other examples. When is the meeting? When does the class start?
Very useful at work and school.
Let's slow down and practice.
Say this with us.
When does the class start?
When does the class start? Nice.
Again, a little more confidence.
When does the class start?
Mini challenge time.
Yes.
Pause the video for 5 seconds.
Think of one when question you need in your life.
Ready? Go.
Welcome back.
Did you think of one?
If yes, write it in the comments.
Even a short sentence is perfect.
Now, my favorite word.
Let me guess. How?
Yes.
How is very flexible.
It's for method, feeling, condition.
For example, how are you?
The most common question.
But many learners answer and never ask it.
True.
Let's practice asking.
How are you? Again.
How are you? Other how questions.
How do I do this? How can I help you?
How much is this?
Very useful for shopping.
Let's put everything together in a small conversation.
Okay. Real lifestyle.
I'll start. Hi, excuse me.
Yes,
Where is the nearest bus stop?
it's near the bank.
Oh, thank you. When does the bus come?
In 10 minutes.
Great. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Simple
Natural.
and very powerful. Now it's your turn.
Practice time.
We'll give you a sentence. You complete it.
Say it out loud.
Where is the...
You can say bathroom, office, station.
Your turn.
Good.
Next one.
When does the start?
Class? Movie? Meeting?
Say it.
Nice job.
One more.
How do I...
Use it with pay, go, start.
Try it now. You're doing great.
Really great.
Remember, English is not about being perfect,
It's about being understood.
and asking questions helps you connect.
Quick review time.
We learned 4 question words.
What for things?
Where for places.
When for time?
How for method and feeling.
If you remember only one thing today,
Remember this. Simple questions are enough.
you don't need long sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to ask.
Before we go, we want to hear from you.
Write one simple question in the comments.
Any question. Very short is okay.
We read them.
And we're proud of you.
If this episode helped you,
Please like and subscribe.
share it with someone learning English.
You are learning,
You are improving.
and you are brave for trying.
See you next time in English Speaking Zone.